Christmas morning, puppy breakfast.
I don't know about chewing anything else. Morning, Merry Christmas, everybody. Well, I can't even say morning. I woke up almost lunchtime today. So the puppy's hungry. So, but what I did is, I graduated them from the blended food. We're going to try them with whole chow today. But this has been soaking for about 45 minutes in some puppy natural water. So, let's go try it out, you know. Merry Christmas to everybody. Everybody, I bring a little thing for you here. As I said, this has been soaking for a while, so the chow pretty soft. Let's see if they would eat it, because so far they only know how to lick. You can see they're licking it. They're trying to get up the sauce, because they don't know about chewing anything as yet. So let's see. Let's figure it out. Come on guys, somebody bite some. I think Snowman is biting something here. Yes, he's eating it. He's eating it. If you cannot tell, look, he bit this one. But it's so soft, it's like cornflakes when it's in milk right now. Yes. Nice. What do you think about that? You think they're getting through? You think they're getting through? She want to get on it. She want to help them. Hello, just supervise, please. Just supervise. No assistance. No, don't assist. Just supervise. Good. Sit down there and relax. Good. When they finish, you can have the rest. Watch out. Ha! Yes, man. This guy here, he ain't come up for air yet. Everybody stopped and came up. He ain't come up for air yet. But he's really going at it. I see the bottom of the bowl. Nice. So no more worrying to blend any food for you all. Check them out and see how they poop. And that will be that. I said not yet. She can't wait to help them with this food. And we can't forget about the bigger boys down in the back here. Come on, over here. Black man, come out the party. Here. I'm Fatso. Get in. They're a little bigger, so they're not making joke. See the bowl? It's a little smallie. This here is so soft. It's like you ever put a baby around it. Brad reporting from the shop. Christmas after lunch now.